We'll see some worms, bud. Don't you worry about that. Alright, so today
We're doing gardening work.
we are doing some gardening work. We're back in the garden. Daddy's going to continue cleaning up all the weeds.
I'm currently doing the dirt.
Yep, you're turning over the soil from the old garden bed here. We're going to get rid of all these garden beds.
Because this used to be where we keep chicken.
Alright mate, you keep digging, alright?
I'm digging out this dinosaur bone.
Dinosaur bone.
It's hard.
Alright, you keep going. How's the digging going?
Not good.
Not good? It's looking pretty good to me, mate. Turned over a lot of it. It's hard, yeah, it is hard work. Cleaned out all around the chook shed. Not really a shed, little chook house. There's the pups. So all this area here will turn into growing plots or growing spots.
And
We have veg. So we're going to come down here, we're going to clean out underneath these apple trees around here. There's another garden bed in there as well. We're going to trim back a little bit of the apple trees, a bit of pruning. Yeah, we're going to grow lots of veggies and lots of food in here, mate. But what do you reckon, lunchtime?
yeah.
Alright, let's go have some lunch.
Maybe we have some orange juice.
Alright, sounds good. Gloves off. So all the weeds uprooted, so leftover tops here. So we'll turn this soil over. We'll get rid of the chook shed here. We'll remove these garden beds, won't we, bud? And then yeah, then we'll spread out all the good soil. There's actually some old chook manure in there that we'll clean out as well. We'll spread that out, good fertilizer for the gardens. And yeah, hope you folks are enjoying the videos. Super easy. We'll show you how to make your own garden in a otherwise weedy spot. And yeah, cheerio. See you next video, folks.